Hi there, this is Adnan. Welcome to my channel Training Express. On this channel, I will be teaching you accounting. So let's check out our first session. What is accounting? Before we talk about what is accounting, let's have a look at why do we need accounting. Every business is engaged in financial dealings on a regular basis. We need an organized way of tracking all those financial dealings, and that is where accounting comes into action. So we can say that for every business, accounting is an integral part of organization. Now let's have a look at what is accounting. Accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and communicating. The first step in the accounting process is recording. Recording means that we record business transactions in the accounting books. Transaction means exchange of goods or services for money, while the books where we record business transactions are called general journal and general ledger. The second step in the accounting process is called summarizing. Summarizing means that we prepare a summary of all the detailed financial information in the form of financial statements. Three basic financial statements which we prepare are called income statement, statement of owner's equity, and balance sheet. By now, you must be thinking that we have already prepared our financial statements, so our job is done. But the answer is no. The third step in the accounting process is communicating. Communicating means that we communicate all financial information to our stakeholders or users of financial statements. For the sake of communicating, we can categorize our stakeholders into internal stakeholders as well as external stakeholders. So now let's have a look at each of these categories and we will see who are those users and what kind of information they are looking for. The first type of user is called owner or investor. Owners or investors are the people who have invested money in the business. So at the end of the year, they would like to know how the business performed. It means, did the business make a profit or loss? As well as they would like to know what is the return on their investment. The second type of user are managers. Managers are those who are taking business decisions throughout the year. So at the end of the year, they would like to see what are the results of their various management decisions. The third type of user we can say are employees. Employees are basically concerned about the security of their job as well as they want an increase in their salaries. Now let's move on to the second category of stakeholders, which are called external stakeholders. The first external stakeholders is suppliers or vendors. Suppliers or vendors are those people or those businesses who provide us goods or services on credit. So they are interested to know what is the credit worthiness of this particular business so that based upon that they can lend us goods or services on credit as well as they are interested in other relevant financial information. The second type of user under external stakeholders is banks or lenders. Banks or lenders are definitely the most important stakeholders. The reason is that whenever we need money, we always go to the banks, and the banks would like to see my financial position and they would like to see our loan repaying capability. Tax departments. Tax departments are always interested to collect taxes. Public. Public in general, they are looking for how many job opportunities are being created by this particular business, as well as they are interested in other environmental concerns. Based upon what we have learned so far, we can easily say that accounting is the language of business, which means that accounting helps us to interpret the financial information in an understandable manner for the users of financial statements. Let us summarize what we have learned today. So we have learned that accounting is a process consisting of three steps. First of all, we record business transactions. Then we summarize those business transactions in the form of financial statements. And the third step is that we communicate the same financial information to our stakeholders. Okay, so based upon our discussion today, let me ask you a question. What is the purpose of accounting? For the answer, please check out my next video. Okay, guys, I hope you liked session 1. Please stay tuned for more accounting lectures and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.